Today we're making a quick and refreshing fruit smoothie. Perfect for breakfast, a snack, or whenever you need something sweet and healthy. Ingredients are listed in the description. Ingredients: 1 cup frozen mixed fruit like strawberries, mango, or blueberries. 1 banana, 1 cup milk or almond milk. 1/2 cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey optional. Step 1. Load the blender, add your frozen fruit, banana, milk, yogurt, and honey into a blender. It's like packing a vacation into 1 cup. Step to blend. Hit that blend button and let it whirl until smooth. The louder it roars, the better it's working. Step 3. Serve. Pour it into a tall glass. Add a straw. And boom, a fruity, creamy smoothie in minutes. And that's it. A refreshing fruit smoothie that's as easy as it gets. Check the description for the ingredient list. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick recipes.